heart attack, many people may be worried not only about their health, but their bank account too. Hi, I'm Dr. Cindy Haynes, host of Health Day TV. In a study in today's Journal of the American Medical Association, researchers looked at more than 3,700 adults who came to the hospital with a heart attack. The patients were divided into three groups. The first had health insurance and no financial concerns. The second group had insurance, but was concerned about the costs related to their health care. The third group didn't have health insurance. The researchers found that uninsured patients and those with financial concerns were more likely to delay seeking care for their heart attack. In fact, nearly half of patients without insurance took more than 6 hours to get to the hospital. Only about 39% of the patients with insurance and no financial concerns waited this long. As the authors point out, putting off getting to the hospital during a heart attack is associated with a higher risk of complications and even death. Delaying care could lead to worse medical problems and even more medical expenses. I'm Dr. Cindy Haynes of Health Day TV with the news that doctors are reading, health news that matters to you.